Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Ever wondered what your skincare routine might be missing? Have you ever given homemade face masks a shot? There's a certain charm to whipping up your own skincare potion, especially when it's as simple and effective as the recipe we're sharing today. Homemade face masks are worth exploring for a variety of reasons. They're fresh, free from preservatives, and can be tailored to your skin's specific needs. Plus, they're often inexpensive and eco-friendly, utilizing ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Imagine harnessing the power of nature's bounty to nourish your skin, using ingredients that are as good for your skin as they are for your health. The beauty of homemade masks is that they can be as simple or complex as you want them to be, and yet, they're always rewarding. Today, I'll be sharing a simple and effective recipe for a banana honey lemon face mask. Stick around, it's going to be fun. Let's dive right into the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. First up, we have the humble banana. Now, this isn't just any fruit. This is a skincare powerhouse packed with potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin C. The potassium in bananas acts as a super hydrator, moisturizing the skin and keeping it soft and supple. Vitamin E and C? They're your skin's best defense against damage from free radicals. They act as antioxidants, protecting your skin and keeping it healthy and vibrant. Next on our list is lemon juice. Now you might be thinking, lemon juice on my skin? But hear me out. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which is a natural skin brightener and deep cleanser. It dives deep into your pores, removing toxins and dirt that regular cleansers might miss. But that's not all. It also helps balance your skin's pH levels and reduces excess oil production. So, if you're struggling with oily skin or acne, lemon juice might just be your new best friend. Lastly, we have honey. But not just any honey, local honey. Local honey is a natural humectant. Now, what does that fancy word mean? Well, a humectant is something that helps retain moisture. In this case, it helps your skin hold on to moisture, keeping it hydrated and soft. But honey doesn't stop there. It's also packed with enzymes that nourish your skin, leaving it glowing and healthy. So there you have it. 3 simple ingredients, each with their own unique benefits, coming together to form a potent natural face mask. A ripe banana for hydration and protection, lemon juice for a deep cleanse and to balance oil production, and local honey to lock in moisture and nourish your skin. Now that you know why we're using these ingredients, let's get into the preparation. Get ready to create your homemade face mask. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll take our mashed banana. Remember, we've chosen banana for its hydrating and antioxidant-rich properties. We want our skin to drink up all that goodness. So into the bowl it goes. Next, we'll add our lemon juice. Just a teaspoon is enough to reap the benefits of its citric acid, which will work wonders in brightening and deeply cleansing our skin. It's also a great ally in balancing our skin's pH levels and reducing excess oil production. So let's add that into the mix. Our final ingredient is 2 tablespoons of local honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture in the skin, keeping it hydrated and soft. It's like a little spa treatment right in your kitchen. So we'll add that to our bowl. Now the fun part begins. We're going to combine all these ingredients, grab a spoon or spatula and start mixing. It's important to mix thoroughly until you have a smooth paste. You want all these ingredients to be well incorporated. That's how we ensure that every inch of our skin gets the benefits of all these natural wonders. Take your time here. You want to make sure that the banana is well mashed and that the honey and lemon juice are evenly distributed throughout. This is one of those times where patience really pays off. You're not just mixing ingredients, you're creating a nourishing treat for your skin. And there you have it. A homemade face mask packed with natural ingredients that your skin will love. It's simple, easy, and most importantly, effective. This mask is a powerful blend of nature's best, designed to give you that soft, bright complexion we all crave. Now that we have our mask ready, let's move on to the application process. Your skin is in for a treat. Let's apply this nourishing mask. Now that we've prepared our banana, honey, and lemon face mask, it's time to enjoy its pampering benefits. Before we dive in, ensure your face and neck are squeaky clean. Washing with a gentle cleanser removes any dirt or makeup residue, allowing the mask's nutrients to penetrate your skin effectively. After washing, pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Now the fun begins. Using your clean fingers or a cosmetic brush, dip into the bowl of our sweet-smelling concoction. Start applying the mask from the center of your face and work outwards. Don't forget your neck, it deserves some love too. Distribute the mask evenly over your skin, creating a thin layer. As you do this, imagine you're painting a canvas, your beautiful face being the masterpiece. While applying, there's one area to avoid: your eyes. The skin here is delicate, and the lemon juice in our mask might cause irritation, so steer clear of the eye area, and if you accidentally get some mask there, gently wipe it off with a damp cloth. Once you've covered your face and neck, take a moment to admire your work. You should see an even distribution of the mask with no patchy areas. If some spots seem a little light, go ahead and add a bit more of the mask, but remember, less is more. A thin layer works just as efficiently as a thick one, and it dries faster too. Now here comes the best part. Sit back, relax, and let the mask do its magic. This is your moment to unwind. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and let the mask's natural ingredients nourish your skin. As you relax, the mask's nutrients are hard at work, hydrating your skin, brightening your complexion, and fighting off free radicals. So there you have it. You've successfully applied your homemade banana honey lemon face mask. Now, all that's left is to sit back and relax as the mask does its magic. After letting the mask sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, it's time to rinse off. Now this step is just as important as the application of the mask itself. The way you rinse off your mask can make or break the results. So let's do it right, shall we? First, you'll need lukewarm water. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, while cold water won't dissolve the mask as effectively. Gently splash the lukewarm water onto your face. Now here's where it gets interesting. As you rinse, gently massage your skin in circular motions. This will exfoliate any dead skin cells, giving your skin a fresh, radiant glow. Patience is key here. Take your time to ensure that you've thoroughly rinsed off every bit of the mask. The last thing we want is a sticky residue that might clog your pores. Once you're confident that you've rinsed off the mask completely, it's time to dry your skin. Reach for a soft towel and pat. Never rub your skin dry. Rubbing can irritate your skin and cause redness. Now that your skin is clean and dry, it's the perfect time to apply your favorite moisturizer. This will lock in the hydration and all the nutrients from the mask. You can also apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. But wait, we're not done yet. It's essential to remember that aftercare doesn't stop here. Keep your skin hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Regularly using the banana honey lemon face mask and maintaining a healthy lifestyle will ensure that you reap the full benefits of this natural skincare treatment. And there you have it, a skin that's refreshed, revitalized, and glowing. Isn't it amazing what a few natural ingredients can do for your skin? We've explored the magic of the banana, honey, and lemon face mask, and witnessed firsthand its ability to cleanse, hydrate, and nourish. We've seen how the potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin C in bananas work to moisturize and protect, while the citric acid in lemon brightens and deeply cleanses. Not to forget the local honey, a natural humectant, ensuring our skin stays hydrated and soft. By incorporating this homemade face mask into your skincare routine, you're not only using natural ingredients but also reaping their multiple benefits. It's about reducing signs of aging, alleviating acne, and brightening your complexion. It's about self-care and nourishment. It's about embracing a radiant and glowing complexion all year round. Thank you for joining me in this skincare journey. Remember, your skin deserves only the best. Until next time, keep glowing.